Welcome to the video, where today we're tackling a common computer problem. Our scenario involves accidentally deleting all partitions on a computer except the one that Windows is installed on. Quite the predicament, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. We start by using the diskpart command in the Windows installation media. Select the disk and proceed with creating the EFI partition to get things back on track. Moving forward with the solution, the next step involves creating the MSR partition. This step is crucial in the process to ensure the system works seamlessly post-recovery. Next up in our solution journey, we utilize the bcdboot command from the Shift F10 console. This command plays a pivotal role in copying the original bootloader files and configuring the new BCD to make the disk bootable. Continuing with the restoration process, we proceed to create the system partition. With specific formatting and assignment commands, this step ensures a smooth transition towards a fully functional system. In BIOSMBR disks, no MSR partition is required. For these setups, using the bcdboot command with the fbios option sets up the system for legacy boot. In summary, by following these detailed steps, you can effectively rebuild the necessary partitions and restore your system. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. And hey, maybe share this video with a friend who loves a good tech challenge.